If you're looking for a free voice changer
to sound like a celebrity,
anime character,
or even a VTuber, stay tuned.
in this video, I'll introduce you two of the free voice changers, W-okada voice changer and HitPaw VoicePea, and show you how to use them. Now let's dive in. So first, let's take a look at W-okada voice changer. It's a completely free real-time voice changer. Click the W-okada voice changer download link in the description. It should take you to a page like this. Scroll down, and you'll see 6 files. If you're using a Mac, download the version labeled Mac. If you're using a Windows computer and have an NVIDIA GPU, download the version that says Win and CUDA. If you have a different GPU, download the Win and STD version. Since I have an NVIDIA GPU, I'll download the CUDA version. This file is quite large, so it may take some time to download. I've also created a full tutorial on how to download and install W-okada voice changer. You can find the video in the top right corner of the screen. Now, we launch the software. The first startup will take a while since it needs to download a few components. Once the program opens, you'll see a screen like this. The first thing to do is set your input microphone. I've set mine to Realtek High Definition Audio as the input mic. For output, select Cable Input. If you want to monitor your voice before it's sent out, select your earphones under Mon. If you don't want to hear your own voice, choose None. Under the N gate section, if you don't want a noise gate, set it to 120. If you do want one, adjust the setting to your preference. Make sure these 2 toggles are turned on. For chunk, the lower the value, the faster it generates, but the choppier it will sound, so adjust it based on your needs. Next, set your GPU. If you don't have a dedicated GPU, the default option should be selected. Then, set your in gain to 10 and match your out gain and mon gain to the same value to control the output volume. The most important slider is the pitch adjuster. If you want to sound more like a girl, slide it higher. You can fine-tune this to fit your voice model. If you want to switch voice models, just click on RVC model.
And I don't know what she normally sounds like, but I think this sounds pretty good.
Oh, this voice sound like this.
To upload more models, click Edit and upload them. If you find the W-okada voice changer a bit tricky to use, then HitPaw VoicePea is a fantastic alternative. This software supports both audio file voice changing and real-time voice changing, giving you more flexibility. Compared to W-okada voice changer, HitPaw VoicePea is much easier to install and use. Just click the download link to download and install it, then open it. You'll be taken to the setup page. From there, select your microphone and speaker from the drop-down menus, then click Continue and Done. You will go to Real-Time Interface. Here are different voice to choose, and if you want use the voice for free, you can go to Task Center to earn the credits, then redeem the voice you want. You can use the voice in Discord, Steam, or any other game platforms. It is really the choice for real-time voice changing. That wraps up this video. You can choose the one that best fits your needs and start having fun with your new voice. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.